To examine the impacts of drought with regard to near-term climate change, we'll examine California's Central Valley. The Central Valley stretches 450 miles in length, covering about 18,000 square miles in area, and encompasses the Sacramento Valley in the north, the San Joaquin Valley in the south, and the Tulare Basin in the southernmost end. The Central Valley is home to a large percentage of California residents and provides water resources for more than 25 million people. Unfortunately, near-future climate projections within the Central Valley indicate that anthropogenic climate change will result in increased land surface temperatures and reduced precipitation. This is especially troubling as recent studies have confirmed the correlation between lower soil moisture and higher surface air temperatures during periods of low precipitation. This means that instances of agricultural, meteorological, and hydrological drought will increase in frequency and directly affect the population living within the Central Valley. This part of California has experienced drought in the past, and as a result of natural variability in seasonal and annual precipitation rates. However, these new findings highlight the unpredictability of climate change effects when coupling natural variations with human-induced climate change on the realized severity of any given extreme weather event. Potential solutions to imminent drought threats include amendments to the existing aqueduct and dam systems so that larger quantities of water can be reserved in preparation for periods of drought.